If you want to study in Austria, health insurance isn't just a paperwork. It's the key to unlock your student visa, residence permit, and legal access to Austria's healthcare system. Hi, I am Ethan Shelby, founder of Shelby Immigrations. We help international students relocate to Austria successfully, and one of the most important steps during that process is getting the right health insurance. We'll cover why health insurance is required. Number 2, the 2 types of coverage that you can choose from. Number 3, how to apply step by step. And at the last, the final checklist to make sure you are ready. So let's dive into point number 1, why health insurance is even required. Austria is one of the best healthcare systems in the world, but to access it legally, you need to be insured. Here are the few reasons why health insurance is important and what it unlocks. First of all, you definitely need to provide the health insurance certificate while collecting your RP card from your magistrate. That is one of the most important documents that they ask for when you go to collect your RP card. Secondly, it gives you access to doctors, hospitals, and prescriptions. And that is really important. And the most important thing is it gives you protection from unexpected costs during your studies. This isn't about just avoiding risk. It's about giving you peace of mind and full legal access to healthcare in Austria. Now let's move to number 2, the 2 types of health insurance that you can choose from. There are 2 valid options and both of them are accepted by Austrian authorities. What matters is what fits you the best. So let's go. The first one is you can always go for public health insurance. That's OGK health insurance. This is Austria's national public health insurance and most popular among students. The cost of public health insurance OGK comes around 73.48 euros per month. What it covers is general doctors, specialists, hospitals, and prescriptions. Now, and the eligibility criteria for this is student must be under 27 or he must be full-time enrolled in Austrian recognized university. When talking about visa compliance, it is completely acceptable for collecting your RP card. Most of our students took OGK health insurance and they collected their RP smoothly. If you qualify, the OGK is a smart choice. It's reliable, affordable, and recognized all over the Austria. Option 2 is private health insurance. The advantage of taking the private insurance is they provide flexible options, especially useful if you are applying for your visa D or you are over 27, you prefer broader and faster coverage. It's a little bit expensive. It costs around 100 to 300 euros per month. Some of the famous providers are Unica, Allianz, Care Austria, FeelSafe, and Dr. Walter. You should always look for the plan that includes all the risk or at least equal to the OGK. Now let's move to part number 3, how to apply for health insurance. For OGK means public health insurance. You apply after you reach to Austria. For applying it, the documents that you need are your Mendezettel, that means the address that you're living in. You're gonna get it as soon as you will reach to Austria from your landlord. The second thing is the enrollment certificate from the university. And at the last, your passport. You can apply for this health insurance either online through email, or else you can also just visit to your nearest OGK health insurance center. So I would suggest you go directly to the branch and apply it offline. For private insurance during their visa application, this is what most students use before they arrive during their visa application. Steps for this are you have to choose a plan that meets your visa requirement, then pay at least 3 or 6 months upfront. Then you have to request your policy documents in English or German. You should confirm it covers all your medical, hospital, and emergency care. Some embassy require proof of full coverage before granting your visa. Get this step done as early as possible, because for visa D, you need to provide your travel health insurance. You can provide any travel health insurance from your country that covers you up to minimum up to 10 to 20,000 euros. And that's all we need to apply for visa D. Then you have to buy another health insurance after reaching to Austria. Now everything is done. Let's move to the final checklist. Before submitting your visa application, just check this off. Number one, a health insurance plan that meets Austrian legal standards. Secondly, policy document in English or German or translated certificate. Now, for OGK, you need proof of enrollment plus Mendezetel. For private health insurance, full policy confirmation and the payment confirmation as well. Always make sure to submit clean and labeled documentation set that should be ready for embassy review. Getting your health insurance right isn't just a formality, it's the foundation for your entire student life in Austria. And always remember, watching you from far and rooting for you. See you guys in the next video.